Hello, thank you for joining us in a new video. This time we are going to discuss Wi-Fi 7 and how you can achieve excellent connectivity in every corner of your home thanks to this TP-Link Deco BE65. Let's dive in. If you've ever experienced areas with no signal, or your phone disconnects, or the network speed is very slow in some parts of your home, stay tuned because I'll explain how to set up a mesh Wi-Fi network easily and without complications. But first, allow me to explain what a Wi-Fi mesh network is and why it might be beneficial for you. Unlike traditional routers which transmit the signal from a single point, a mesh system uses multiple interconnected devices to form a cohesive and unified network. This results in seamless coverage throughout your entire home with automatic switching between units, ensuring you never lose your connection. It provides a more stable network, even when many devices are connected simultaneously. Now, let's see what TP-Link offers through this BE65 Deco. In this case, this is a package of 3 devices of the same model. So we are talking about a triple band system with the latest in networking technology. This model reaches speeds of up to 11 Gbps, distributed in 3 bands, 6 GHz with 5,760 megabits per second, 5 GHz with 4,320 megabits per second, 2.4. GHz with 574 megabits per second Wi-Fi 7 allows using channels of 320 mHz. That is to say, the double. The bandwidth of Wi-Fi 6 offers increased speed and reduced interference. One of its main advantages is the multi-link operation technology, or MLO, which enables devices to connect to several bands and channels at once. Instead of just one frequency, if the 6 GHz band gets crowded, the connection remains stable by switching to the 5 GHz or 2.4 G bands without any interruption. The device will automatically say that it will select the optimal band. Another key enhancement is the combined backhaul. In standard mesh systems, nodes typically connect wirelessly, which might impact performance. However, with this device, nodes can communicate via Wi-Fi and also use wired connections simultaneously, ensuring the best connection without slowing down the connected devices. To explain it more clearly, think of your internet data flow as if you were physically moving objects from one location to another. Imagine if you only had a small van. This would make the process slower and more restricted due to its limited capacity. However, if you have the option to use both a van and a truck simultaneously, you can carry more items at a faster pace. This is because the combined backhaul of this entire system utilizes all available routes, which in turn enhances the overall network performance significantly. This system is equipped with 4 ports, each offering 2 5 Gbps, which enables you to fully leverage the fastest fiber optic plans, allowing you to optimize your entire network exceptionally well. Moreover, it is entirely compatible with all previous Deco models. This compatibility means that if you already own a Deco XE75, Deco X50 or Deco S7, you can seamlessly integrate them into the network without any issues, thereby expanding your coverage without the need to replace your existing equipment. This implies that if you previously had a Wi-Fi mesh network with some older models of Deco, you can enhance your connection using this new model. Additionally, you can utilize those older systems to keep expanding your network. Setting up this Deco is quite straightforward. All you need to do is connect one of the nodes to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Then download the Deco application on your cell phone and follow the step-by-step instructions. Honestly, the process is quite simple, so essentially you just have to click next, next, next and follow the instructions, but this process isn't complicated. Once the network is set up, all devices will auto-connect to the best signal. Moving from room to room, your phone, tablet or computer will switch nodes seamlessly, keeping the best connection. In this scenario, we will test how well this device receives the internet signal. As you can see, in these situations it does have an internet connection, but it is quite slow. We will wait for this test to complete and then we will install the repeater. Then, right here, I have this model of Deco that is Wi-Fi enabled. We are going to plug it into the power and wait for it to start up so that we can link it to our entire mesh network. Once the LED is blinking, we will press the button to add a new Deco. We will wait for it to be detected. In this case, it asks us how many floors the house has and provides some additional details. It also gives us advice on where to strategically place this device, and later on we will continue. We can begin the search to include it, and well, after a few seconds here, it already informed me that it located it. So, let's proceed to add it, and it indicates where it is. Then I will simply choose that it is located in the next room, And once that's done, it will apply the necessary settings. And that's it. Let's note here that it is already completed. Just for your reference, I placed this deco in the small bureau located in this area of the room. Then let's enter here once more once more in this particular area where we previously didn't experience very good speed, we're going to conduct this test and observe that we are now achieving significantly more speed. Obviously, the closer you are, the better speed you will have, but with this, I truly believe it has improved immensely. Now, let me share with you the additional benefits that this product can offer. Home Shield is among the most beneficial features of this system as it provides protection for your network and all connected devices. It offers a free plan that includes basic features like blocking dangerous websites and providing one network security report. However, if you're seeking additional protection, you have the option to subscribe to Home Shield with the Security Plus plan. This plan is priced at 105 pesos per month or 749 pesos annually. It provides intrusion prevention, advanced web threat protection, and an Internet of Things device insurance system, which helps prevent cameras, light bulbs, smart plugs, or other devices from being susceptible to attacks. Additionally, it provides a device isolation mode, which allows you to block communication among smart devices on your network, preventing attackers from taking advantage of vulnerabilities. This means those devices can only connect to the Internet, allowing you to control them via your cell phone. However, they won't be able to communicate with other devices on the network, thereby preventing any potential attacks. Additionally, it features a unique mode specifically designed for security cameras. With this mode, you can set up schedules that restrict their internet access or configure them to function in a local-only mode. This way, they are prevented from connecting to the cloud without your explicit authorization. Moreover, if you're seeking enhanced security measures, you have the option to subscribe to the Home Shield Total Security Plan. This comprehensive plan not only provides antivirus protection, but also includes unlimited VPN services, password management, and ID monitoring. These features help detect if your personal information has been exposed on the web. Parental control is an additional key feature offered on this device. In its free version, it provides the ability to block specific websites and apply web filters to restrict categories like adult content, online games, social media, or shopping. Moreover, you can set up a sleep schedule to disconnect children's devices at specified times. Naturally, in the list, you select which devices belong to your children to enforce all these changes and restrictions. If you are looking for more options, you can choose the advanced plan, which is priced at 65 pesos monthly or 375 pesos annually. It comes with a 30-day free trial period. This plan provides additional features like secure search to block explicit content on Google along with a restricted mode on YouTube. It also includes the ability to block applications by category, set time limits per day or per type of application, and even the option to designate days for complete disconnection. Additionally, there is Kids Shield available, which is a feature currently offered for free in its beta version. At the moment, it only functions with Android, but it will be available for iPhone in the future and might become a paid feature later on. This tool allows you to install an app on your children's cell phones, enabling you to monitor how much time they spend on the device. You can also temporarily block the internet, schedule specific connection times, and even track their location in real time. Obviously, the first time you install it, you must follow the configuration step by step, but it guides you in a very clear way, so you must give different permissions, enable accessibility options, and some others. So it is a bit of a long configuration process, but I insist that the configuration guides you step by step. Another benefit of this system is the option to create a guest network. This is ideal if you have visitors and do not want to give them access to all your devices. Personal computers that can be connected to the network. You can set up a separate network with a different password so that they only connect to the internet without having the ability to interact with other devices connected to your home network. Finally, this system is also compatible with VPN such as NordVPN, Surfshark, IPVanish, and PureVPN. So if you have a subscription to one of these services, you can connect the entire network to the VPN with no limit to the number of devices, which will allow you to connect the entire network to the VPN. Assist in enhancing privacy or bypassing geo-restrictions. To sum up, this system not only provides the top speed and coverage with Wi-Fi 7, but it also offers advanced security features, complete control over your network, and is compatible with the whole Deco family. Additionally, it includes all the parental control options. Naturally, you must consider that some of these options will require payment. So you as the user will need to assess whether it's worthwhile for you to pay this extra cost or if you prefer. Stick with the basic functions. However, if you're interested in upgrading your network and want to eliminate these annoying connection issues, I've included a purchase link in the description where you can buy one of these excellent products. Keep in mind, they offer not only this model which is compatible with Wi-Fi 7, But they also have a variety of other models available for Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi E, and even some simpler options. It really depends on your budget and how much you're willing to spend on these products. We've come to the end of this video for now. I truly hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did enjoy it, you know you can let us know. We look forward to seeing you again next time.